Okay, so I just rolled out some blue fondant. I'm trying to make a engagement ring box, jewelry box, cake for my daughter's engagement party tomorrow. So I had navy blue, so I'm gonna do the lid and bottom navy blue, and then white in the middle with a ring. Well, I'm gonna try anyways. This was a little easier than I thought it would be. I haven't worked with fondant in quite some time, but it'll look okay. I think it'll be good. The cake is baking. Then I'll let it cool, then I'll cut it into the same size and shape as this. And we'll see how it goes. So I used the roller